College of Education is a scientific and educational center. Its main mission and objectives are to prepare qualified teachers. The college attempted to graduate students who can make sound educator and successful lecturer in the basic schools and kindergartens in the future. College of Basic Education was founded in 2009, which was a part of Korea University. At that time, the college started with 3 departments, such as Computer and Mathematics Department, Kurdish Language Department, and Arabic Language Department. But nowadays, the college is expanded and outgrown. It consists of 6 departments, such as Computer Science Department, Mathematics Department, Kindergarten Department, English Language Department, Kurdish Language Department, and Arabic Language Department. Now we have 70 academic staff and 1,360 students. The language of study at our college are English, Kurdish, and Arabic, depending on the department. For example, the language of study in English is English in Computer Science and Mathematics and English Language Department. But in Kurdish department is Kurdish, and also in Arabic department is Arabic. About the system of study, in our college we have 3 types of system of study. We have annual system, that's a classical system, and also we have Bologna process. Last year we started with English Language Department and Computer Science Department. And also we have another type of system which is called American Semester System. This system is applied only in Mathematics Department. At the end, I would like to say that till now, 1,616 students are graduated at our college.